Hey guys, it's Zoe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy and affordable DIY photo booth. I just set it up behind me, so if you want to see how I did it and how you can do it too, then keep on watching. If you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Zoe. I do social media for Good Morning America for a living, and I post here on YouTube twice a week about beauty, fashion, fitness, social media, and living in New York City as my dishwasher beeps. So I got this idea because I used to go to a ton of events in the city and they'd always have photo booths or fun things to do. So I thought I would make a quarantine at home version that is really affordable and anyone can do themselves. So I thought it would be a fun idea to share with you guys for your next social distanced gathering or small family event that you can make your own photo booth. Also, if you just want to take photos for Instagram, you could do that too. Make this, get some photos for Instagram, and you'll be all set. I will share where I got everything, but most of the stuff you can find at the Dollar Tree or on Amazon. It's all really affordable. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you everything you need to make the photo booth. So right here is pretty much all that you need. I got this door curtain, also called a tinsel, from Party City. Then I got these two. These are clear removable mounting squares to put everything up on the wall. These two are from Target. And finally, I got 3 different colored balloons. These are also from Party City. I got gold, white, and silver. This one that I'm setting up right now is like a New Year's Eve theme, but you can do any kind of color scheme for whatever event. I know Valentine's Day is probably just around the corner when I'm posting this, so this is just what I'm gonna be using to set everything up. The first thing that I did was decide where I wanna do the photo booth, and for me, it is gonna be right here, which is in front of our laundry closet, which we won't need to access when we have people over. So I pretty much picked a spot where it's like a flat white wall kind of, but it's also a door. It's really the only area in our apartment since we are in a small New York City apartment. So I'm gonna start there. Hopefully it'll cover, and my goal is that you won't see these slats. So fingers crossed we could do it. Let's start with the gold curtain. We're gonna hang this up. This was $7.90 from Party City. I did have to get most of the stuff from Party City. I know the dollar store has it, but unfortunately near us there isn't one. So if you really are looking for budget and you have a Dollar Tree, head there first. I'm hoping this is long enough. Also, I should mention, if you've never seen my videos before, I do have a puppy, and I'm praying that she doesn't like try to eat this and knock it over. So here is the little tinsel. Wow. Uh-oh, she's coming! Wow, this is so long. I think it was gonna be like this long. Okay, so here's the tinsel. There's actually like little loops on the top, I guess, if you have something to put it up with. I'm gonna use those sticky squares that I mentioned and hang this up just like right in front of the door, starting at the very top. So I'm gonna do that now and try to avoid the dog getting in the way. These are the little sticky squares that I got. You can also use like painter's blue tape. I got these because they're clear so you won't see them, and we do rent this apartment, so it is supposed to peel off without messing up the paint or anything like that. It's fairly light, so I just put 4 of these on here, and I'm gonna try to tape it up now. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so impressed. It stayed up really nicely actually with those tape squares. So if you are looking, those tape squares are really, really nice. And it's crazy long. I was scared there wasn't gonna be enough height, but it's pretty good. So next what I'm gonna do is blow up the balloons and stick them all around the border so that we fill this in. So someone could be standing here in the middle with a friend and you have the nice balloon border going around it. I can't even remember the last time I blew up a balloon, so I'm gonna be so out of breath out of this. I got 15 packs of 15 balloons and I got 3 of them, so there's 45 balloons to blow up, so I might be here a minute. I'm gonna stick these on the wall as I'm blowing them up so I can kind of see my progress. So I do have the same squares. I'm planning on putting them on the balloon and then sticking the balloon on the wall. Yay! Perfect. Okay, more balloons. got 6 white balloons up there. I'm gonna put on these 6 gold ones and then do 6 silver and fill in the rest. Some of them are starting to fall, so I'm hoping that we can make it without any of them falling. I'm doing all of these pretty big, and then once I finish with these, I'll do some smaller ones to fill in the gaps. I don't think you'll see the tippy top in the photos, but just so it looks good on camera, I'm gonna fill it in. We've reached a bit of an issue because some of these are falling down now. I'm gonna do 2 little sticky squares on them and hope that they stay. I'm not sure if it's like the wall and it just doesn't want to stick to it or what, but hopefully 2 sticky squares works. If not, I'm gonna have to go to plan B, which would be using some other sort of tape. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, we're making progress now. Hopefully these will all stay up. These are the big ones. And now I'm going to start blowing up some smaller ones to place like in between the big ones. I'm hoping those will stay up better with the stickies. I started using 2 each, so hopefully I don't run out. But yeah, here's what we're looking like so far. Fairly simple, and I think it's going to look really cute at the end. Okay, here is the finished photo booth wall. I didn't go all the way to the ground because, as I said, I do have a dog. But if you don't and you don't have any small kids or anything like that, it would be fun to go all the way to the ground and then even scatter some balloons on the ground for props. But here is the finished thing. I'm so happy with how it turned out. If you are planning on using this, another great addition would be a ring light. This is a little more expensive. This one I got on Amazon for like $20, but you could set the ring light up in front of here, and then mine even comes with a clip for an iPhone, so people can put their iPhone or cell phone in and out and take their own photos. You can also just have someone stand, if you have someone extra in the party, to stand right here. But that is pretty much it for the DIY photo shoot wall. As I said, really easy and simple. Josh wants to get in to get a photo. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You could do any color balloons, any color backdrop. It works really well on the door, so if you have any door in your house, that would be great, or just a plain wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick DIY, and make sure to subscribe down below. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.